Hey, what if I told you there are 5 powerful foods that can help you gain weight and build muscle faster than you ever imagined? Stick around because number 4 will blow your mind. Whether you're struggling to put on muscle or just want to bulk up the right way, these foods are your secret weapons. Ready? Let's dive in. 1. Peanut butter, the muscle builder's best friend. First up, peanut butter. It's packed with healthy fats and protein, the perfect combo to fuel muscle growth. Plus, it's calorie dense, so you get more bang for your bite. Pro tip: spread it on toast or add a spoonful to your smoothie. Your muscles will thank you. 2. Quinoa, the complete protein powerhouse. Ever heard of quinoa? It's not just a trend, it's a complete protein, meaning it has all the essential amino acids your muscles crave. Swap your rice for quinoa and watch your gains skyrocket. Plus, it's packed with fiber to keep you energized all day. 3. Greek yogurt, creamy, delicious, and muscle-friendly. Number 3, Greek yogurt. This creamy delight is loaded with protein and probiotics to keep your gut healthy, because strong muscles start with a strong gut. Eat it plain or toss in some nuts and honey. Trust me, your taste buds and muscles will love it. 4. Salmon, the omega-3 muscle booster. Now here's the game changer: salmon. Not only does it pack a punch of protein, but those omega-3 fatty acids. They reduce inflammation and help your muscles recover faster. Imagine eating a food that actually helps your muscles heal quicker after those brutal workouts. That's salmon for you. 5. Sweet potatoes, the carb you need. Last but definitely not least, sweet potatoes. These complex carbs give you sustained energy so you can crush your workouts and keep building muscle. Plus, they're loaded with vitamins and antioxidants. Sweet potatoes are like the fuel that keeps your muscle-building engine running. So there you have it. 5 delicious, powerful foods to help you gain weight and build muscle faster than ever. Start adding these to your meals and watch your body transform. Got a favorite muscle-building food? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this video if you want more tips like these. Let's get those gains together.